Hi! In front of me is THOMSON TO13P, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords autofill. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Now you need to tap on one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Following that, click on Edit button right next to the Delete one and change wherever you wish to. When you're ready, just click on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!